к производству компьютеров «Персональный спутник».
Okay, slide the sides, the top piece of the blade towards the right or left, either way. Whichever one's easier. Slide it off and then drill a hole. Run a wire through it so it looks like this instead of this. Do it to both of the blades. The Folgers coffee jar lid, I threw in 2 electrodes. These are just massive screws that are going through with an airtight seal with silicone and a tube that goes through from right here. It only comes out up till here, and the other end of the tube goes into the Poland Spring bottle that is submerged in there down to about that. You could actually submerge it all the way in, and just like that. This is the Poland Spring bottle. I sealed it off with some silicone glue. I layered up 3 layers of electrical tape, 2 small little pieces of it, and layered them up to 3 to 4 layers. That's about how far apart I want both of the electrodes, both of the plates to be. Now we just put the plates together, just like that, making sure neither one is touching the other, like so. Tape them together. Try not to tape on the top because that is where the hydrogen comes out of. Before you screw everything on, put just a dash of salt in the water. Mix it up with something. Make sure the salt is dissolved. And then plates are connected to the electrodes. Neither of the plates are touching, and all the connections are done. Now to screw everything back on. Alright, our cell is ready. Let's fire it up. You can see instant bursts of hydrogen coming out. Let's get a more zoomed in view with this. Alright, and this tube on top is feeding the hydrogen into the Poland Spring bottle. That's the bubbler. That's the hydrogen plant. As you can see, I'm using tap water, so there are some impurities in there. And those are the bubbles. I put some soap inside the bubbler so I could actually contain the hydrogen inside bubbles. And that's how it burns.